a lot of times we get freaked out, and we have to almost save our customers from themselves. Because they've been pressured before, they'll say things like, hey, I'm not buying today. Hey, you know, today's just an exploratory meeting. We're not signing any agreements today. And then you work through things, and if you say, it's really weird, but words matter. If you say, well, do you want to sign the agreement today? They'll go, well, as I said before, you know, I don't want to do that. But if I say to you, does it make sense to blank? Sign the contract, get this in front of your partner, show this to the board, do a trial with us, whatever it is you want them to do, you're not asking them to do anything. So they don't feel any pressure. But the really cool thing is they can't reject you, and you didn't get rejection on those two. They can't reject you on doing the thing you're asking them to do, because you're asking them a timing question. Does it make sense is a timing question. And if I say no to does it make sense to sign the agreement, I'm saying not right now. I'm not saying I'm not gonna sign the contract. And that's a huge difference. If I say, Dave, do you wanna sign the contract? No. I now become a 14-year-old, right, trying to get some money from mom or dad. Can I have 20 bucks? No, why not? Please, right? What can I do to get your business? Hey, Dave, does it make sense to sign the contract? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? Well, I don't know. I mean, we didn't really want to sign any contracts. I get it. You know, because of the fact that you had said you're spending $1,500 a month right now with Meta on advertising, and you're just not getting any business. How long do you want to go continuing that spend before you try another avenue? Well, I mean, I don't want to keep spending that. Yeah, which is why I was thinking it might make sense for us to move forward with this. Yeah, you know what, let's go ahead and do it. But when you put pressure on them, they're going to push back on you.